Is a bhrí jog ní bhaile stúdag mo chrí cráide. Chartú in neachan bháis trí cheart lár mo chrí. Tá na míl se far an rále dé den cún náireach. Is go dog tú bracht hir real mas fear.
Now Denny O'Rafferty's motor car is the greatest, I declare. It's made up of bits and pieces that he picked up here and there. The engine must be ages old, but it's still got lots of power. With a gallon of stout in the petrol tank, it does 90 miles an hour. Oh, what a wonderful motor car, is the greatest ever seen. It used to be black as me father's hat, now it's 40 shades of green. On TV and the radio and in every public bar, the burning question of the day is Rafferty's motor car. Now two of the wheels are triangular and the third one's off a pram. The fourth is the last remaining wheel from off a Dublin tram. The number plate's in Gaelic and the plugs won't even spark. And the chassis came off of a tinker's car that collapsed in Phoenix Park. Now go for a ride in the motor car and you'll end up with the shakes. The road from Cork to Dublin is a vale of pains and aches. When traffic lights turn red ahead, you'd best jump out the door. For the moment that Denny treads on the brakes, his foot will go through the floor. Oh, what a wonderful motor car, is the greatest ever seen. It used to be black as me father's hat, now it's 40 shades of green. On TV and the radio and in every public bar, the burning question of the day is Rafferty's motor car. Now if you could see the upholstery, your eyes would start to pop. It's nothing but empty beer crates with a load of sacks on top. The windscreen's gone to Lord knows where, and there's mothballs in the horn. And I reckon he'd only get half a quid if he took it to the pawn. Now Denny was driving around last week when the engine did the splits. It went up in smoke and nearly blew O'Connell Street in bits. They searched around for Denny and found he'd landed up by heck, way up on top of the GPO with his LP round his neck. Oh, what a wonderful motor.
Girls are dancing all around and just for me. And the party wouldn't swing if not for me. I've made your hearts jump. I cause the heat. I'm in demand. I am the beat. I am the beat. I've turned a girl into a heaving, senseless wreck. I made the captain of the ship dance off his deck. I've made the old man jump to his feet. I'm in demand. I am the beat. I am the beat. All round the world the people know my name. In heaven and hell they know me too. Across the world the people know me now. I am the beat and I know you. You always listen to me on your radio. I gave to Buddy all he really needs to know. And who kept the law, man, down on the street? I'm in demand. I am the beat. I am the beat. All round the world the people know my name. In heaven and hell they know me too. Across the world the people know me Mr. Cooper had to thank me for his chance.